Congratulations on receiving your citrus tree. What do you do next? I'm Ron and I'm going to walk you through step by step every single thing you need for citrus success. All right, first thing, you could have gotten one tree in a small box or multiple trees. Let's open them up and see what it looks like. Okay, so you've got your beautiful trees out, and take your care guide and any accessories, identify those, move them aside. And now you have your citrus tree. So what's on your citrus tree? You have the pot it's in, you have the soil, then you have the main trunk. This main trunk is covered with a straw. You can leave the straw on. It's used to prevent rootstock suckers from growing out. And then it's tied with this green tape at multiple points to this bamboo stick. That's gonna help your main trunk just grow straight and straight up. So you can keep this on until your tree grows large enough or you feel comfortable enough to take it off. So you got a couple tags on your tree, one that shows that it's from a certified nursery and what variety it is. Nice to keep that on so it doesn't get mixed up. You can adjust the width of it as it gets older, or you can lay it aside. Now, what do you do if you're not ready to plant, you're not ready to transplant? You just got this, maybe it was a surprise and you need to take some time. So what do you need to do to keep this alive? Two things: protect it against cold weather or very hot weather, and water. So you can take water and drench this until water runs out the bottom of the container every day for the next 1 or 2 weeks, or however long you have it in this container. So there's no such thing as overwatering. This thing is planted in super soil. This tree is planted in super soil. There's no such thing as overwatering for this. And then temperature wise, if it's under 50 degrees or 40 degrees, you want to bring it somewhat indoors or onto a patio. If it's like in the 50s, 40s, definitely bring it indoor and protect it. What may have happened during transport is if your tree had a lot of stress, a lot of time without water, or it's very hot, it may not look so lush. It may have leaves, and the leaves may continue to drop over the next 1 to 2 weeks. This is normal. Just protect it and keep it in partial shade and water it every day. Give it a full drench of water, plenty of water, and so your tree can come back and be lush again. Don't worry if anything goes wrong. We have a replacement guarantee within 30 days. So you can email us at tropicaltrees@uscitrusnursery.com. It's in the front of your care guide, and we'll walk you through it. But the main thing it needs is a little bit of protection. Sun is great for tropical trees and for citrus, but if it's in a weakened state or if it had that transport shot, you may want to keep it in partial shade, kind of like this environment right here, for a couple of weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks, and plenty of water. Water it every day, water it twice a day. Again, it doesn't matter. With super soil, you won't be overwatering it.